Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Audible and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video, I'm walking around a Range Rover Velar that we've upgraded with front RETROFIT parking sensors. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this video is all about the Range Rover Velar. Customers coming to us looking for a solution and we've delivered exactly what they were after. Wanted a stock look, but wanted added functionality in terms of parking. So what we've added in is our RETROFIT parking solution. Basically, it's a 17mm sensor, which is just about here. We've got 4 sensors going across the front bumper. In terms of the solution, these are color coded to the vehicle. So no matter what the car color is, it will be color coded. The 17mm, what's actually involved, removing the bumper, mounting the sensors from behind to give you a flush fit look, pretty much exactly like the manufacturer's ones are. In terms of that, there's physical wiring going into a control box inside the vehicle, and then we've got nothing on display. It's an audible tone only solution. However, they are fully automatic. So literally, as you drive up to any obstacle, any parking space, something's in your way, it automatically picks that up and alerts you while obviously parking. In terms of the solution, it basically goes from a single beep all the way to a constant tone as you get closer and closer to that object. So really useful bit of kit adding to the vehicle. Obviously, with the vehicle being the size that it is, can be quite difficult to get into those narrow parking spaces, and this is a really nice solution for that. If you are interested in something like this, make sure you get in touch with us. Drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. We're more than happy to go through everything with you and go through the exact spec. Or alternatively, come by and see us and I'm more than happy to sit down with you, show you the actual sensors, see exactly what you guys would be getting. But if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button below. But please do like, share and subscribe to the video. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon.